Good morning this Monday, the 14th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed in record territory on Friday as the big banks had a very strong start to the third quarter earnings season. The Dow Jones added 0.97% to a fresh record of 42,863.86 points on Friday, while the S&P 500 gained 0.65% to a fresh record as well of 5,815.03 points, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose 0.33%, just 2% below its record high. JP Morgan Chase rose 4.4% on Friday after topping profit and revenue expectations for Q3, while Wells Fargo rose 5.6% on stronger than expected profits. Over in Europe, markets closed higher on Friday as investors assessed key UK growth figures and looked ahead to further key economic data out in the region soon. The STOXX 600 rose 0.53%, Germany's DAX added 0.85%, the French CAC rose 0.48%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.2%. The UK economy returned to GDP expansion in August, with Britain's GDP rate rising 0.2% in the month following flat readings in June and July. Across the Asia region on Friday, it was a mixed close as China's stimulus-fueled rally lost steam. China's CSI index lost to 2.77%. South Korea's Kospi index fell slightly, despite the Bank of Korea cutting the benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points in the first rate cut since 2020. Japan's Nikkei gained 0.57% on Friday, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng was closed for a public holiday. The ASX closed 0.1% lower on Friday as a broad sell-off across 6 of the 11 sectors weighed on the key index. Energy stocks rose on Friday on the price of oil rebounding, which has been the story of the last month, with high volatility based on geopolitical tensions escalating and then easing. Capital raisings have been on the rise recently, as well as the impacts of high interest rates and subdued demand finally hit company balance sheets. On Friday, we saw Appen return to profitability, but also announce a capital raising to expand into AI, while Dubba also announced a $25 million capital raising to accelerate sales momentum and execute a new sales strategy. Gold miners rallied on Friday due to the rising price of the precious commodity as demand for the safe haven asset continues to rise. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.38% lower at $75.56 a barrel. Gold is up 0.91% at $2,657 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.6% at $106.44 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 67.47 US cents, 100.54 Japanese yen, 51.63 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of the first trading session of the week this week, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open the day up 0.56% on the back of Wall Street's record rally on Friday. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Monday. Bell Potter has increased the rating on Catapult Group from a hold to a buy and have raised a 12-month price target on the sports tracking software company from $2.35 to $2.75, and that's ahead of the company's first half FY25 results due out in about a month's time. The key focus for Bell Potter's analyst is the upcoming results in the performance of the tactics and coaching division, i.e. the video division of the business, from both a revenue and total contract value perspective. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on SG Fleet Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 23 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $2.68 to the range of $2.81 to $2.85, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.